Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, Dodge is wrapping things up for the Durango, but they're not going out quietly. Stellantis has been rolling out special edition SUVs left and right, and the latest one, it's the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Brass Monkey. Yep, you heard that right. This beast comes with brass wheels, a satin hood, a rich brown leather interior, and not much else to make it stand out as the ultimate Hellcat. Now, if this is giving you déjà vu, you're not alone. Dodge had previously announced they'd keep the Durango alive in 2024, even after saying goodbye to the Charger and Challenger. Remember the AlcHEMI edition of the SRT 392? They teased it like it was the final bow. But here we are, still getting more. After that came the Silver Bullet Hellcat Durango in August, alongside the 20th anniversary Durango RT. And just to keep things spicy, we also got the Hellcat Hammerhead with its sharkskin-inspired silver leather. Cool name, but not exactly Hammerhead shark vibes, right? The funny thing is, none of these additions are actually marking the end of the Hellcat Durango line. Instead, they're all nodding to the 20th anniversary of the original Durango with a Hemi engine from back in 2004. I doubt anyone then could have imagined the insane 710 horsepower we're getting in these modern Hellcats. As for the future, Dodge hasn't hinted at any V8 Durangos past 2025. So, if one of these special editions is calling your name, now's the time. They're up for grabs starting at $115,315. What do you think about the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more reviews of cars and all things automotive. Until next time, and see you in the next video.